This is Kevin with New Flow St. Louis. I'm at 7206 Colgate Avenue 63130. Right now I'm pushed all the way up to the ditch that we have in the basement. There was a major break in the system right at that hole. Shut that off. This is a 4-inch cast iron. Pull back, show the condition of this pipe. We are going to line up to this ditch into some PVC. Here we have a Y on the right side from the main waste stack. As you can see, major cracking on top. Some root intrusion on the right. Some major cracking to a major hole. Here we're at the transition to 6-inch clay from 4-inch cast iron. Like I said, we're in 6-inch clay. There's some major offset in the clay, major hole as well. We're at the trap, up and out of the trap. Here we have the clean out, it's in the front yard. If you're looking at the home, it's on the left side by the sidewalk. I'm going to go ahead and do the branch arm here as well. Alright, here we are, we're pushed out to the main run from the main stack. This is the branch arm. Pulling back, show the condition of this pipe. We're going to be lining all this all the way up to the base of the stack. There's major cracking throughout this section on top and on bottom. Here we have a Y on the left side. Downspout, I believe. I'm going to gap that. We're at the base of the stack, into PVC, 4-inch PVC with a connection right afterwards as well. Here it is. Here we have a ditch over there. Again, this is Kevin with New Flow St. Louis at 7206 Colgate Avenue 63130. This has been a pre-liner video for our CIPP liner.